you don't have to worry, 'cause baby, there ain't no mountain high enough, ain't no valley low enough, ain't no river wide enough to keep me from getting to you, baby.
Good morning, Spartans. My name is Isaac.
And I'm Caden, and for this week's show, we've got some important announcements and some unique videos to show you, including the mystery date.
You won't want to miss it, so stay tuned for the rest of the show.
Before we get into this week's news, we have a quick recap of the Holiday Assembly in case you missed it.
All my ladies, wind to the left, sway to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. No, I don't need introduction, follow my simple instruction. Wind to the left, sway to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. No, I don't need introduction, follow my simple instruction. You see me, I do what I gotta do, oh yeah. I'm the guest, there's no need to queue, oh yeah. Me and my crew, we got the juice, oh yeah. Hear what you said, phone in my head, making me so bored. Taking it in, you can't pretend you didn't notice. Pick it apart, back to the start, I didn't know ya. Get a chance, watching you dance, I feel ya. Even though you're in right now, I don't want your crown. Ain't no shame, ladies, do your thing. Just make sure you ahead of the game. Is it worth it? Let me work it. I put my thing down, flip it and reverse it.
Thanks, Carter, for getting that awesome footage. It was a great assembly.
Now we'll go to Chris for sports.
Hey girls, if you haven't been asked to homecoming yet, there's still hope. One very charming and mysterious guy is looking for a very special...
Sports. It's in the game.
What's up, Spartans? Let's talk sports. In golf, we had a great win against Highland, 16.5 to 3.5. Way to go, boys. For girls soccer, we had 2 wins, a huge 4-0 game against East and a mercy rule game, so 8-0 against West. Way to go, soccer. The football game against Farmington was a huge game as we dominated the new school during the broadcasted game on KJazz. And the end score was 37 to 14. Way to go, boys. In tennis, we played Olympus and volleyball played Granger. We took a couple tough losses, but our team still played great. Way to go, Spartans. For this week, we have a huge game against Juan Diego at home, and the game is Aloha Friday. So get your best Hawaiian gear, tropical shirts, and Islander accessories. Remember to be loud. Tonight, boys golf plays Skyline at 2, and volleyball plays Highland at 6, and girls soccer plays Olympus at 3 on Thursday. Way to go, Spartans, and good luck.
Thank you, Chris, for filling us in on the latest Spartan sports. Remember to go out to the football game this week.
It's against Juan Diego, so it'll be a good game, that's for sure.
As far as this week goes, today and tomorrow is picture day, so be ready for that.
We have a special announcement from our MAG president and about Powder Puff.
What's up, Murray? We have our annual Powder Puff game Wednesday, September 12th. Men's drill will be performing at halftime. Junior and senior girls, you're welcome to come sign up.
If you would like to play, we have sign-ups this Thursday and Friday during lunch. We have one mandatory practice on September 8th from 10 to 12, so if you signed up for the September 8th ACT, just let us know and you'll still be able to play.
We hope to see you guys there.
The Renaissance program wants to welcome everyone back to school with ice cream. Go to the main doors or go to the doors by the little gym after school for your ice cream. Thanks, Renaissance.
Now we'll go to Jackson, who has some info for us.
Sorry, I just have a couple announcements. First, I want to introduce Troy. He's our new security officer.
Hello.
So, how do you like it here so far?
It's great. It's great.
So you will be seeing him in the halls, and he's going to learn how to do tickets and everything. So we're glad to have you on board. We really are.
Thanks. Appreciate it.
So, my announcements, I just want to let you know, I want to thank everybody who left when I asked them to leave Friday. We had a lot of problems, and thank you for going. And those who don't, come on, man. When we ask you to leave, please leave. Don't give us any lip, okay? We don't do that to you. Show us some respect. A couple of announcements, okay? During lunch, second, third floor is off limits, okay? If we catch you again, we'll write you a little citation. You don't want that, okay? Please pick up your trash out in the parking lot. That is from Officer Burnside. He will write a ticket for littering, which is a big fine, okay? It goes up to $100 to $200. So come on, man, pick up your trash, okay? We appreciate it. He's been picking up the trash, and so have I. So we need you guys to help us out. And students, please, I know you're just getting your parking permit. What are these now? But please do not park in visitor, staff, or NHS. You will get a ticket now. But you do not need to get your permit. But on the 17th, we will be starting writing citations and put stickers on your windshield. So please get your parking permit. Number 3, please slow down in the parking lot. I had asked a student to slow down. He was going pretty fast. And I will write you a $100 citation, okay? And if it's not me, it will be Officer Burnside. His is $500 for under 18. Over 18 is almost $800 and a loss of license for a year. So please slow down in our parking lot. We don't want anybody hit, okay? And if you have any problems, you feel sad or what, please come talk to one of us. Or you got Heather and everybody. Let's make this a good school. It's a good school, okay? But welcome aboard, Troy. I'm glad to have you here, man.
I'm glad I'm here.
So we will talk to you later.
Future Business Leaders of America has an information social on Thursday, September 6th at 3 o'clock in Spartan Cove.
Now our SBO Prez, Ariana, has a new announcement about the mystery date.
Hey girls, if you haven't been asked to homecoming yet, there's still hope. One very charming and mysterious guy is looking for a very special lady to go with him to homecoming in a very special way. This is the homecoming mystery date. Our mysterious guy has a very fun date planned, a group to go with, the boutonniere and corsage, dinner, and some groovy dance moves. He just needs a very special lady to escort him to the dance. Did I also mention that this girl gets a free dress rental to Dress Collective? Murray girls, if you haven't been asked to homecoming yet and are able to go, we need your participation in the homecoming assembly on Friday the 14th. Good luck!
Actually, we were lucky enough here at Spartan Vision to interview our mystery date. Let's get an idea of who he is and what he has to say.
Hello, Mystery Date. We are so excited for you to be on Spartan Vision today. We have the pleasure of interviewing you. We just want to kind of get to know you some more and understand what's happening. This is like the first year we've done Mystery Date at Murray High School, so nobody really knows what to expect. What are you excited about?
I'm really excited to take an awesome girl and have a really fun time with her, and it'll be probably one of the best dances ever.
So, just to make people feel a little bit more comfortable, would you like to tell us a little bit about yourself?
I just really love to be at Murray High School. I have a lot of school spirit. I love everyone here, and they're all awesome.
What are some of your hobbies? What do you like to do?
I really like to play soccer, go rock climbing, do service. I like to hang out with my friends and have a good time. I like to eat pizza on the Saturdays.
What are you most excited for about this mystery date?
I'm so excited to meet someone new and to have a really fun day with them. and I just think this dance is going to be way awesome.
So to get the girls a little bit excited, do you think you could give us a little sneak peek into what your day is going to look like at homecoming?
Well, I don't want to spoil it, but let's just say we're going to have an awesome group. We're having a really fun day activity. The dinner's going to be way good, and just the dance part is just going to be a party.
Would you say you're a good dancer?
I'm probably one of the best dancers west of the Mississippi.
Why did you not just do the normal way of asking a girl? How come you had to come to us?
Well, let me tell you, this has always been my life goal, to be a mystery date, and I just want to do something new, something different, so I think this is going to be one of the coolest things ever, and it'll be probably the best dance.
Do you have anything else that you want to say to the girls who would be participating?
So, girls who haven't been asked, like, please come up for this assembly. I really want to find that special lady, and it'll be a really fun dance, and I'm just really excited for it, so, like, don't be afraid to go up. It's going to be cool. I really like to take nice long walks on the beach and just talk about my feelings to people. But I also, crap, I gotta be careful. Gosh dang it, Abby. Swipe up.
We have a promotional video from Dress Collective, the company donating a free dress to our mystery date winner.
This is new for sure. I wonder who it is, LOL.
I guess we just need to go to the HOCO assembly next Friday to find out. Oh, and speaking of homecoming, it's next week, so get ready for a full of fun.
Anyways, that's all we have for you guys today. Till next week, Spartans.
Peace.